My dear NetSet aspirants, my brothers and sisters, I heartily welcome all of you. I am your Dhanaya sir from a village Tolanur Taluka, Akkalkot, district Sholapur, Maharashtra. Dear students, I am standing in front of you to share my experience with you. I am standing in front of you to motivate you. I'm standing in front of you to stimulate you. I'm standing in front of you to show the path of success. I'm standing in front of you to grab you toward the success. I'm standing in front of you to attract you towards net and set exam. I am standing in front of you to inspire you to write net and set exam and get the result. For passing net exam and getting GRF is very easy. So for getting GRF, for passing net exam or passing your state eligibility test, paper number 1 plays very important role. In paper number 1, unit number 1, I am telling you. So I told you about different types of teaching methods. In this video, I am telling you about one new method which is used in our day-to-day teaching profession. See that I wrote some important teaching methods on the board. Micro teaching means what? Team teaching means what? Blended learning, dialogic teaching, brainstorming teaching, direct teaching, differentiated instruction, guided discovery method, seminar, panel discussion, computer assisted learning, computer assisted instruction. Dear students, now it is a time 12:30. Please look at this time, 12:30. This is my 12:30, complete midnight. Still I am standing in front of you because I am following my ambition. I am following my aim. My intention is to tell you, to share you about my experience. Friends, I am completely busy in my school activity. Still I am taking some time and I am telling you how to teach, how to get success in net and exam and set exam. Friends, what is the team teaching? What is the definition of team teaching? Who introduced the team teaching concept? What are the benefit of team teaching technique? What strategy are used in team technique, team teaching? The first one is team teaching means what? We have the another name for team teaching is co-teaching. Team teaching is known as co-teaching. Team teaching is known as collaborative teaching. Collaborative teaching. It has two names, co-teaching and collaborative teaching. Team teaching means what? In generally what happens, I tell you one example, then I proceed next point. In generally, in a small classroom, students are sitting and teacher enters in the classroom and teacher observe the student, then teacher start teaching. We have limited student, 20 student, and teacher is standing in front of the student and teacher started teaching. But in a large classroom, in a big classroom, in a crowded classroom, if classroom size is very big and there more than 100 students, 50 students or 80 students, okay, crowded students are the large students, large classroom. At the time, two teachers or more than two teachers, group of teachers comes in the classroom and deliver a lecture. Then explain the topic, then tell the information to the students. One teacher tells definition, another teacher tells the example. One teacher explains, another teacher do the diagram on the blackboard. One teacher explains, another teacher shows the chart. One teacher teach, another student observe. One teacher teach, another student watch whether students are doing the activity or not. Two students collaboratively helping each other, they are teaching the students, they are teaching the subject matter to the students. Here both teachers are respected, both teachers' quality is the same, both teachers are intelligent, both teachers are cooperative to each other. A group of teachers are teaching the subject to the class. Group of teachers are teaching the subject matter to the large class is known as team teaching. Team teaching, this concept was first time introduced by William Alexander in 1963 in America. Originally, team teaching, it was emerged in 1950 in America. But the first time the team teaching technique was introduced by Harvard University in 1955. The definition of team teaching is group of teachers. Group of teachers are teaching to large class of students. It is known as team teaching. Division of work, classification of work labor between teachers. They are dividing the subject matter. They are dividing the lesson. One part you take, second part I take, third part you take, or introduction you take, middle I take, you can conclude it. You tell the definition, I tell the example. You tell the definition, I tell the another. Means in this way, cooperatively, purposefully, they are telling division of work or labor between teachers to plan or organize, instruct, make assessment of same group of student is known as team teaching. Group of teachers are working purposefully. They are purposefully explaining the subject to the students, and regularly they are teaching, and cooperatively they are helping to group of students. I want to tell one example here. Students, this is the students group. All students are sitting. This is the crowded class, and two teachers are standing here. Two teachers are teaching to this complete large class. Two teachers are explaining this large group of students. It is known as team teaching. 6 strategies are using. One teacher teach, one teacher assist. One teacher is teaching, another teacher is helping. One teacher is teaching, one observe, another teacher is observing to the student, to the blackboard, to the activity. Another strategy, station teaching. Station teaching means group of students. This is one group, there is another group. 5 students, one group they make, and teacher go and visit one group and explain the subject. Again teacher go to another group and tells the information. Teacher go another group and analyze the subject. Teacher go and visit another group and see whether they are doing the activity or not. Or teacher sits, one group comes, they learn, they go. Another group comes, they learn, they go. Another group comes. In this way, this is the rotation of the teaching is known as station teaching. Then parallel teaching means what? In one classroom, suppose 50 students are there. Two teachers comes, one teacher takes 25 students one group, another teacher takes 25 students another group. One teacher is teaching one subject to this student, this group. Another teacher is teaching another group, same subject. Suppose he is teaching one poem. This group, one teacher tells the same poem to this student. Another teacher is telling same poem to that group. In one period, in one time, in one classroom, they divide the class for one group and that group. That is known as parallel teaching. Alternative teaching means what? It is known as differentiated teaching. Please remember that all students are all students are not equal. All students are not same in the classroom. Some students are intelligent, some students are, few students are dull, and some students are ordinary. Okay. As a teacher, I should identify the student. I should keep the students' ideas in our mind, then teach. How he is very brilliant. I should give high quality example. I should give him high quality definition. I must use high quality words. If the ordinary student, then I should use very ordinary words. I should use very ordinary example. I should teach very simple language. According to students' need, the teachers When teaching, it is known as differentiated teaching. And team teaching, two teachers are teaching one subject to the students. See that both teachers should be cooperative to each other. So these are the strategy. And in team teaching, first they plan the lesson, then they organize the lesson, then they evaluate the students' performance. Please remember, team teaching means two teachers are teaching to the large class in the same period. One teacher is telling one subject, another student is explaining that subject's example. One lesson they are telling, they are cooperative. See that both teachers should help each other. They should talk properly. They should understand both. If both teachers are misunderstanding, both teachers are not talking, both teachers are not respecting each other, then there will be fight. The teacher should say, "Tu cheez badi hai, mast mast tu cheez badi." If he is saying this kind of song, and headmaster will come and he will kick, "What nonsense you are doing in the class? Are you singing? Are you dancing? You stupid fellow." If students are not talking each other, "Mat ro mera dil chup ho jao," dono. If they are fighting, if they are not talking each other properly, then teaching will not happen. Please remember. So now this is a new concept. This is a completely new concept. This concept is known as team teaching. Please remember this video once again. Watch this video. What I wrote on the blackboard, see and write in your notebook. Okay? Thank you so much. Here, this is parallel teaching, one group and another group. Already I told, once again you watch it. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, please message me. Please give your suggestions. Please give your feedback. Motivate me to conduct the class. Give one message: "Sir, your class is good. Sir, your class is best." Or, "Sir, your class is ordinary. Sir, we need these suggestions. Please do this activity. Please teach this subject." Whatever. Please give your feedback. Yaar, I am going to get energy from your words. Okay. Thank you so much. Namaskar.